Good morning. Got a new hat, and I saw yesterday's video. Got a new hat. It's warm as well. It's good. Fits my head, which is always a good one. Other supplier gives me a hat, and it's proper tight here. I've got a really long head, and it's just too tight. It gives me a headache. So, last day on my own today. Still feeling fresh. I'm just in the zone at the minute. So I got a new saw. I only got a crappy Titan, just to see me on. I'm gonna have a word with Tom and get a good one, a really good one, like a Makita or something. But we'll see. Probably get it off of this job, to be honest with you, but we'll see where we are with money off this job to get it. So, quick update on the YouTube. I can't stand still when I'm filming. Quick update on the YouTube is 61% are unsubscribed who are watching. Or is it the other way? No, 61% unsubscribed who are watching, which is brilliant. I've heard that people are like in their 80s, 90% and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's good. But come on, guys. You can do it. You can do it. Just press subscribe. You don't need notifications on. You don't need to press like. Just subscribe. Just gets my algorithm pushing and pushing and pushing. So, my granddad's brother, granddad's in his 90s, coming up to 90, I think now. Still rocking around Europe, just driving around, just chilling out. Probably blocking motorways like, but you know, he's enjoying life, isn't he? His brother sold a camera business over in Manchester. So we originate from Wilmslow. My granddad moved over here, and that's where the hopes in Yorkshire have come from. So anyway, when he retired, he sold his business because the kids wasn't interested in taking it further. But anyway, he sold this camera business, more or less Jessop's if you like, for like a good £2.5 million, something like that. So, but yeah, he's got some contacts together as my granddad, and we are going to chat with them about cameras, about mics, you know, everything that goes along with it. So yeah, we're looking to invest cameras. Might have a few like hooked on the fence down there near the mixer area, and then it just all goes up into cloud or something. I don't know. And then it comes back onto you guys. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, today now I've got the new saw, new blade, down in that corner, cutting up here, putting slurry on up here, mixing up here, laying in the corner, next one. So it's hard to film. So I'm just going to do it as a time lapse, where you can see all angles, and then I'll walk you through it again. But yeah, I'll find some nice music for you guys. See you soon. there you go, it's done. Whew. I'm so happy this area is done now. Look at this for a small cut down here. Nice, 270 by 20 mil. And then this one here, 400 by 50 mil. Small. But this now, it's massive finishing it down here. Totally finishes it off. Seems like a long slog. So what I'm going to do is, tomorrow, I'm going to get this jet washed. And then there's no more walking on it, other than putting gravel around the edge. Might even do that tomorrow, actually, to be honest. But building this step here, that's literally all we need to stand down here for. I'm going to get these sleepers in. Next step, get the step formed. Probably put that in Monday. And then from that patio to this patio, off it goes. Finishes it off massively. Yeah, I'm just going to give this a quick sweep down. And then, ghost, absolutely ghost. Tom not being here this week as it's Thursday today and he's back tomorrow. So thankful he's back, honestly. I'm absolutely drained. It's not just putting a mix on coming here, it's getting everything from van. All porcelain's at front, so you're bringing 20 flags in, you're bringing a ton of sand in, and then putting a mix on, and then every time you need something, it's in bloody van. It's not weird. All I've done today is stand and look about for bloody tape measures. I've got 3 of them. Not one of them's next to me, ever. And you have these pockets with big flaps in. Never in there, are they? They're always somewhere else. Look at this dark cloud behind me. Ooh. Right, I'm going to go. I need to go to Manchester now with the Little Ones football. So I'm going to send off some quotes while I'm waiting there. Yeah, it's all good. See you in the morning.